Hey guys! My name is Yaya. I am a tour guide based in Tokyo. Welcome back to my channel. The cherry blossom season in 2025 is coming up soon. Are you planning to visit Japan? If you are interested in booking my tour, head over to yayatabi.com or just send me a DM on my Instagram. In this video, we will get the train system down perfectly, so you can come to Japan with confidence. Let's get started! Did you know how many people use Tokyo's major train lines every day? It's about 25 million people. In addition, between the end of 2024 and the start of 2025, the number of people using the JR Shinkansen hit 412,000, the highest ever recorded. This really shows how Tokyo has one of the busiest and most efficient rail systems in the world. When you're sightseeing in Japan, unexpected things can happen. It's super important to stay calm and know how to get around. In my last video, I showed you how to ride a train, and today I'm going to teach you how to buy train tickets and get your hands on a Suica card. Let's start with how to buy a train ticket. If you have a Suica card, you're usually good to go. But just keep in mind that sometimes Suica card might not work if you travel outside of Tokyo. So it's really important to know how to buy physical train tickets. In today's video, I'm using JR train ticket machines and also I'm introducing how to buy a Suica card. However, Suica card is issued only by JR and you cannot buy it at other companies' train ticket machines like Toei or Tokyo Metro. But no worries, the process of buying those train tickets and metro cards remains almost the same across all the train companies. First, look for a ticket vending machine. You'll typically see a fare chart above the machine. However, since it's not always in English, I recommend checking the fare to your destination on Google ahead of time. I explained how to read the fare chart in previous video, so please make sure to check it out along with how to ride a train.
Guidance will be displayed in English.
This is the button for a ticket for one adult, so it's lit up. You can see it says 150 yen for one adult here. There are also buttons for children's tickets and for buying multiple tickets. Some machines may accept credit cards, but I've never bought a ticket with one myself. I recommend carrying cash when using the trains. Here, the number means how many tickets you bought, so this time I bought just one ticket. Please make sure this is a ticket gate where you can insert your ticket. Once you pass through the ticket gate, a hole will be punched in your ticket like this. These are the ticket machines where you can get a Suica card. The big difference from the machines that only sell train tickets is the color. The ticket machines that sell Suica cards are black, while the machines that only sell tickets are green. Okay, so now let's buy a Suica card.
Guidance will be displayed in English.
To charge your Suica, press the pink button. Since I'm buying a Suica today, I'll press this button instead. Here also you can only use cash with this machine. The main advantage of personalized Suica is that you can easily replace it if you lose it. Since it's registered with your details, they can verify your identity. If you lost your Suica card, just go to a JR station and report it to stop the card. Otherwise, someone else can use the balance. You can pick up a new Suica card within 14 days at any JR station. For Pasmo, the process to replace it is very similar, but you need to go to the station where you got your Pasmo, like Toei, Tokyo Metro, Odakyu, Keikyu, wherever but other than JR, cause you know, JR doesn't handle Pasmo. In either case, just please remember there is a 520 yen reissue fee and another 500 yen deposit for a new card, and don't forget your passport. Overall, Suica is very easy. If you lose it, just go to any JR station. With Pasmo, you have to remember where you bought it. Actually, you can buy a Suica card not just from the ticket vending machines, but also at Midori no Madoguchi, the JR operated information counters. If you see this green ribbon logo and this JR East Travel Service Center sign, it is an information center that caters to foreign tourists. Here, you can purchase a special tourist-only IC card called the Welcome Suica. This is the JR East Travel Service Center at Shibuya Station. Since Shibuya is such a popular area for tourists, you will find plenty of English signs in this service counter. I found the guide for the Welcome Suica right here. There is also a dedicated counter just for tourists where you can get special tickets like Japan Rail Pass, JR East Pass, and other tourist rail passes. And of course, you can also buy your Shinkansen tickets here. If you are not sure how to get train tickets, express passes, a Suica card, or if you are looking for a place to store your luggages, just head to the JR East Travel Service Center. In addition to Shibuya one, you can also find these service centers at major stations in Tokyo, including Shinjuku Station, Shinagawa Station, Tokyo Station, Ikebukuro Station, Ueno Station, Haneda Airport Terminal 3, Narita Airport Terminal 1 and 2. They have a special counter for tourists, so you can easily get the help and services you need. As I mentioned earlier, you can purchase the Welcome Suica, a special IC card for tourists, at the JR East Travel Service Center. It's also available at the ticket vending machines at both Haneda and Narita airports. Welcome Suica is a type of Suica that doesn't require a deposit. You can load anywhere from 1,000 yen to 10,000 yen and it's valid for 180 days. During your trip, you can charge it as many times as needed. It can be used not only at the train stations but also at the convenience stores, supermarkets, and other retail shops. Just be careful. If you lose it, there is no guarantee or refund, so please keep it safe. Now that you know how to buy tickets in Suica, you're all set for an amazing journey in Japan. Get ready to kick off your adventure in the exciting city of Tokyo. Alright, so thank you for watching today's video. Are you starting to get a hang of riding trains in Japan? Drop your questions in comments. I'll do my best to answer them. This time I prepared a little quiz, so please make sure to leave your answers in the comments. What was the difference between Suica and Pasmo? Okay, so that's it for today's video. Have an amazing trip in Japan, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!